We will be forever grateful for your guidance, and we owe so much to you for imparting all your knowledge and wisdom to us. We also want to take this opportunity to thank you for always supporting our team and your constant positivity and encouragement. Thank you for your years of dedication to the department.
So, Ate Ludi, congratulations on your retirement day or graduation day from service. We will know each other from so long since I first entered service in construction division and on my last year in quality control division. We became partners again. I hope that this retirement give you a better chance to bond with parents and family to more happy times. God bless.
Advance happy birthday and happy retirement, Madam Lily. Thank you for your support in this district in the past years. We wish you good luck in your future endeavor. Again, happy birthday!
Ma'am Lodi, nalulungkot kami dahil mag-i-retire mo na. Pero masaya na rin kami kasi goodbye ka na sa station. I-welcome mo naman ang limpak-limpak mong 5 years lang sa amin. Ate Lods, kung saan mo man nito sa iyong pera, sana magparami pa yan at happy ka sa bagong life. Happy New Year! Happy Goodbye to our welcome station.
Congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am Ludi. As you welcome the new year 2023 away from the office, we wish you good health and long life. May you enjoy the fruits of your labor with your family by your side. Keep safe, enjoy your millions, and God bless you all.
Huge congratulations on a job well done for so many years. Thanks for sharing your expertise, wisdom, and sense of humor with all of us. You will be greatly missed. Your career has been impressive, and your example is an inspiration to us. Enjoy your retirement. Love you, Ma'am Ludi. From US, from Lodi-O.
Pero ma'am, I was not unaware and in the field. Alam ko po kasi February pa ang inyong retirement. Anyway, I'm happy for you. At last, you had completed your journey as a government employee. You are now free from stress at magkakaroon ka na ng unli tulog. Ma'am, in behalf of the MQC section of Palawan First, we express our heartfelt gratitude in your guidance and assistance. In the performance and discharge of our duties as QAS personnel. At diyan kayo lagi pag kailangan namin ng inyong tulong at advice. It is a great honor and pride serving with you. Good luck with your job and your business.
Sa ngalan po ng Quality Assurance Family, PWH Palawan City, District Engineering Office, gusto po namin pinaabot sa inyo ang aming pagbati. Congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am Ludi. May God bless you at hangad namin ang tagumpay sa inyong pangarap para sa panibagong yugto ng inyong buhay. Ipagdarasal namin ang isang masaya, masagana at malusog na pangangatawan para sa inyong pagtatapos sa serbisyo sa ating departamento, DPWH, QHD. Manimiss po namin kayo. Goodbye pension, goodbye stress, welcome pension, happy retirement, mabuhay po kayo.
Hello, Ma'am Ludi. We wish you a wonderful and memorable retirement this day. Happy retirement from US Palawan Second PO.
Happy retirement po, Ma'am Ludi. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga taong kayo po ay aming naging boss, sa mga aral na inyong taus-pusong ibinahagi, at sa mga panahong ating pinagsamahan at pagsasamahan pa. More power to you. We wish you good health and many more blessings to come. Sana po maging masaya at piliin itong bagong chapter ng inyong buhay. God bless!
Yay! Hi, Ludi! Thank you for always helping and
freedom. We hope you enjoy doing the things that you don't have time before. Congratulations! Happy retirement, Ma'am Ludi!
From the right of way acquisition and legal division, we would like to greet you a happy retirement, Ma'am Ludi. You can now enjoy all the finer things in life and the exciting adventures ahead of you. Best of luck and more blessings along the way. Ma'am Ludi, we hate to see you go, but have a good time. It's your moment to relax, to have more energy with your loved ones, to tinker your keyboard and to sing your favorite songs. Keep in touch and stay healthy and happy. We love you. Happy retirement from Admin Family. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday! Advance happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Ludi. Goodbye to all the pressure. Welcome to the endless leisure. Congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am Ludi. You will be missed but never forgotten. Wishing you advance happy birthday!
Congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am Ludi. Enjoy! Lodi! Lodi! Lodi!
Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Ludi. Lodi, 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 Lodi.
Mula sa iyong pangalawang pamilya, QAHB, kami ay nagagalak sa iyong nakamit na tagumpay. Walang anumang bagay ang tutumbas sa iyong nagawa at pagmamahal sa trabaho na iyong binigay. Ma'am Ludi, maraming salamat sa lahat ng iyong ibinahaging talino at gabay sa amin. Hindi ka namin malilimutan mula sa ikabuturan ng aming mga puso. Maligayang pagre-retiro! Hep, hep, hooray!
Ludi, good morning, good day. Thank you very much for this wonderful day that you will be celebrating your retirement. So, happy retirement, advance happy birthday. So, you are already graduated from the service at this is one of your biggest achievement that you will have in your next stage of your life. So, salamat sa pagkakataon na makapaglingkod ka sa ating bayan, sa ating mga kasamahan at napakasaya ng nakakatapos ng paglilingkod ng maayos. You are in good health and you are still very much active. At with the time na na-share mo sa DPWH ay maniniwala ako na marami kang na-share, natulungan at malaking bagay po ang pagkaroon ng isang Ludi Bautista, especially dito sa ating DPWH Mimaropa. We wish you all the best in your next stage at sana ay tanggapin mo pa ang maraming pagkakataon at makapag-celebrate ka pa ng maraming birthday. So once again, Tita Ludi, happy birthday in advance and happy retirement. Thank you.
Congratulations on your retirement and advance happy birthday, Ma'am Ludi.